Hello everyone, welcome back to the series. Over the last 13 episodes, we have learned how to load data, explore it, filter it, and clean it using pandas. So now we have a clean and structured data set. But let me ask you something. Did you ever try to find patterns just by staring at rows and rows of numbers? It's not easy, right? That's because our brains understand visuals much faster than raw data. And that's exactly what we are going to learn today. Quickly, I will take a section Introduction to Data Visualization with Matplotlib. Today's goal is simple. Understand why visualization is important. This is first. Second, create our first bar chart. Third, create our first line chart. What is data visualization? Data visualization means representing data in graphical form, like charts and graphs, so that patterns, trends, and insight becomes easy to understand. A good chart can reveal insights that are almost impossible to notice in a table. Okay, so then coming to what is Matplotlib. To create charts in Python, we use a library called Matplotlib. Matplotlib is one of the most widely used plotting library in Python. It allows us to create static, animated, and even interactive visualizations. Okay, to use it, we usually import pyplot. We can import like this. This is a standard convention used everywhere. Now coming to setting up data. For today's example, we'll use our clean sales data.csv file. First, let's load the data. I will take one cell here. I'll execute this. We have already known how to import pandas. Now we're going to import a pyplot. Now we're going to load our CSV file. First, let us check if CSV file exists or not. Here we need to say check sales start CSV file. Yeah, it's there. Now we're going to execute. It is loaded. Now we are ready to visualize. Bar chart section. In bar charts, the bar charts are perfect when we want to compare values across categories. Okay, let's answer this question. What are the total sales for each city? First step, prepare the data. Before plotting, we need to calculate total sales per city. We can do this using groupby function, right? So we can do, will execute one code. So here, city sales, we already have df. We can group by city. In the group by city, we already will take price and we submit the price. Now we're going to print the city sales. So Bengaluru total Bengaluru prices are 12,525 because Bengaluru 1200 is there, here 25 is there. So like this we get the data. Okay, now we have total sales grouped by city. Next step, create the plot. To create the plot, so we're going to create by using some functions. So first we need to use this function. The figure, in the figure we need to pass fixed size tuple 8 comma 5. Now there is a bar function. The bar function we need to pass sales index, sales value, and the color. There is third function we need to as title we need to pass the table title, the like the bar chart title, and x value we need to pass with x label. We'll use it as city, and y label will name it as total sales in USD. Now we're going to use show function to execute. We'll execute this. You can able to see the bar chart. Just like that, we have a bar chart, right? Now we can instantly see which city has the highest sales. We're going to use, we're going to see now line chart section. Now let's answer another question. How did our sales change over time? For this, a line chart works best. Step 1, prepare the data. Remember, uh, our order date column is stored as text. So first we need to convert it into a proper datetime format. For that, we have a code. So first there is a function called toDateTime in the PD. There we need to pass the column df of order date. Again we need to assign that column to order date itself. So it is converted as uh, order date. Now group sales by date. For that we'll take one code. So this will group daily sales. So for this df we'll use group by function using order date. Same will group by price and we'll get the sum. We'll execute that. In the date we have grouped for this date, this is the price. For this date, this is total price. Now step 2, we're going to create plot. We need to follow exactly same. First we need to use figure function where we'll pass 10 comma 6 as tuple. Now we're going to use plot where we'll pass daily sales dot index as a first, second as values, third marker as O, and in fourth parameter line style will pass as hyphen. So for this title we'll give title as daily sales trend, and for x column will give as date. For y axis will take as total sales in USD. Now we'll make a grid as true. For grid function we'll make true value. Now last method show. Now we'll going to execute. So this is important to get a line chart. See, we can see the chart here. It is very practical. We can able to visually see the insights and the patterns. This charts clearly shows the sales trend over time, right? So today we learned why data visualization is important, how to create bar chart, how to create a line chart, how to group data using group by, and next how to convert text into dates using toDateTime. So these are extremely important real world skills. So if you found this helpful, make sure like, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, keep practicing, keep building, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.